Are you looking for the perfect property over here in the East Bay? I have the best home to hit the market over here in the city of Hercules in the last couple years.
Welcome to 139 Beryl Court.
The best interior finishes you'll ever find.
Ultimate chef kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances.
Bathrooms that look like they came straight out of a magazine.
4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with a potential 5th bedroom.
This is one of the largest private backyards I've ever seen, and it's perfect for entertaining.
Even this 3-car garage will wow you.
Come check it out.